Something big is coming. Nothing is about to change the game with its most ambitious launch yet. The buzz is real, and all eyes are on July 1st when the company will finally unveil the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3. Now, a big leak coming in directly from the company. Nothing shared an image on X showing critical details about the device. Nothing Phone 3, with model number AO24, will be manufactured in India, with production taking place at its state-of-the-art facility in Chennai. This marks a major move by the company to deepen its presence in one of its most important markets, and to make sure customers also get better support after the sale. Nothing is expanding its service network across the country, which I think is deeply needed by the Nothing tech users. Furthermore, Nothing CEO Carl Pei said that they are ready to take the next step in the USA market. Phone 3 is not just another launch. It is a signal of where we are as a company. The smartphone market in the USA is dominated by two players, Apple and Samsung, but a lot of people are hungry for something different. The company has already seen strong conversion rates from users switching to Nothing, and with Phone 3, the brand is going after the opportunity in a much more focused way. This is the right product and the right moment to start scaling in North America. Additionally, unlike earlier models that were limited to developer beta programs in USA, this time the launch is fully public, making it a significant milestone for the young brand. In the US, buyers will be able to purchase the devices directly from Nothing's official website and Amazon, while Canadian customers can find them at Best Buy. The Phone 3 will also offer carrier support for AT&T Mobile in the US, further cementing Nothing's growing presence in the North American market. By the way, will you buy Phone 3? Comment below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, let's talk about what really has people excited. Obviously, the Phone 3 itself. During last month's Android Show I/O edition, Nothing CEO Carl Pei gave a glimpse of the device and made a bold claim, calling it the brand's first true flagship. That alone raised expectations sky high. And if the leaks are anything to go by, this phone could easily live up to that title. According to official reports, the iconic glyph interface seems to be a thing of the past. Nothing had previously hinted that it would retire the glyph system, and the Phone 3 appears to confirm it. But don't worry, they're not leaving that space empty. Instead, Nothing could be introducing a new dot matrix display on the back panel, bringing fresh functionality to the device. Think of it like what Asus does with its ROG phones, offering animated designs and quick interactions through a small smart screen. It's a bold new take that could make the Phone 3 stand out even more in a crowded market. Under the hood, the device will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite or Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. That means raw power, fluid multitasking, and performance that can handle everything from gaming to AI features. The event will also introduce Nothing's first ever pair of over-ear headphones, the Nothing Headphone 1. This could mark a new direction for the brand as it expands deeper into the audio space. The countdown to July 1st has already begun, and if the leaks and early hints are any indication, this might just be the phone that redefines what a flagship should look like. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3? Are you excited about the launch? Feel free to share in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.